After watching this video you will be able to understand things to have to build a pond. Do you ever imagine having a natural source of water in your backyard? After work, you feel stressed, and there is nothing to make you feel relaxed. So if you are dreaming of having one but think it is impossible, try considering building a pond. 2 common kinds of pond. Wildlife pond, garden pond. Before having more information about things to have to build a pond, subscribe to my channel for more latest videos. Build a wildlife pond. For building a wildlife pond, here are steps made easy and short for you to follow. Start digging. In digging your pond, a shovel is enough to use if the size of your pond you want to make is small. Fill it with water. In this step, you can already overview the beauty of your pond as you fill it up with water. Adding water. It is a relevant move that you take water from an older pond using a few empty gallons and transfer it to your pond. Watch as it grows wild. Your pond will change as time goes by, will become wilder and wilder. Build a garden pond. If you do not want to have a wildlife pond, probably you may want to own a garden pond in your backyard. And if you are in a hurry and could not wait, continue watching along for the steps in making a garden pond. Dig the pond. Dig the pond. First, you have to think about where you are going to locate your pond. If you are planning to install devices that need electricity, the location of your pond should be near your home or where a source of power is available. The installment of devices. Install the pump and other devices. If you are planning to put a water pump in your pond, place it in the 10 inches deeper hole at the center of your pond. Edging your pond. You have to create a slit around the edge of the pond, and this can be done by lifting back the pond liner and cutting a 6 inches slit into the soil around the pond using a spade. Filling your garden pond with water. In this step, you can already overview the beauty of your pond as you fill it up with water. The final step for your garden pond. The last step for your garden pond is adding a few goldfish or your desired fish that can survive in a pond. You can add some plants that will help them survive in the pond. Things to have to build a pond. Conclusion. Making a pond is difficult, but with the right equipment and devices that you can purchase online, it would help you build one easily. For more information about things to have to build a pond, visit our website yourfishguide.com. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.